Wait now. It's going. There we go. Driving on the, what date is it?
The 1st of July.
1st July.
2015.
And this is Andrea driving her new car.
Woohoo! And we're up in Midda.
Yes.
Just had a lovely lunch.
Check out our Facebook. Just search Tom and Ollie.
We're going around the mountains. It's a beautiful view. Very lovely day. And we've got Madison. And here we go. It's so green and beautiful. We're in the new car, the Holden Captiva. And this is the view. Wow, it's beautiful.
Go around the back. Say something, Madison.
Say hi, Madison.
Talk, Maddie. You're going all shy.
Say hi, puppy.
There's Madison. There's a
Yay.
close up of Andrea.
Hello.
Look,
Oh,
side
lovely.
profile. There it is. Look at that.
Go over there, please.
Look.
Oh, the lights are shining
Oh,
on
it's in the face. Look out. There's the dash.
me. Beautiful.
There's the
We've done 130 kilometres today already. And we got the car today. And it's a beautiful cold day. It's 9 degrees up here. And we're going for a drive. Yay! Yay, yay. And it's a beautiful day.
Go back.
Yay, yay. Okay. Look at those mountains. Beautiful. Cold. It must be raining over there. Look. And I'm driving. Oh my God.
Cheerio.
Bye bye.